everyone, my name is Zachary. Welcome back to a video. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a salad. So, a tomato and cucumber salad. Let me get the final ingredient we need, which are some nuts, which are some ripe and juicy tomatoes. Now, do you know what these are? That's right, they're vegetables. And this is how you make a good salad. You'll need tomatoes, cucumber, a knife, a chopping board, vinegar, oil, seeds of your choice, and some lettuce. So what you're first going to want to do, guys, is you want to chop your cucumber like this. Here we go. Then I'm going to chop them up. You might want to be very careful with knives, guys. Now what you want to do is you want to put a couple of tomatoes on the table like this. And then you want to chop them in half like that, as you can see. Orange and tomato ones. So here we go. Orange and red I'm using. Then let me just sprinkle a bit more tomatoes in. I'm not going to chop them. There we go. So what you now want to do, guys, is you want to add in a little bit of lettuce. Like that. Okay? Now what you want to do is you want to, first you want to get your oil, guys, and then, if you have oil, then splash a little bit on like that, as you guys can very clearly see. Now what you want to do, guys, is you want to add in your vinegar.
Not too much.
There we go. Now you have to add only a teeny tiny bit of seeds. These are Nigella seeds. I'm adding a tiny sprinkle. Wonderful, guys. Now you want to do this. Now all you have to do, guys, is taste it. I'm not going to taste the Nigella seeds. I just put them on there for decoration.